Hi there, I'm Jules from thestonesoup.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. So for a cauliflower rice paella, I've got pan heating up on a high heat. I'm just going to get some, using extra virgin olive oil to feel a bit more Spanish. And then some frozen cauliflower rice that's still frozen, and we just want to get that in the pan and cook it until it's warm. So when the cauliflower is nice and hot and most of the liquid's evaporated, then we're going to get in, I've got some defrosted, these are just frozen peeled prawns, but you could use any protein you like, and they're already cooked, so we just want to warm them up. And then I'm going to get in sliced red pepper, that's 2 there, or you could also use fresh pepper and cook it down if you like. That's just from a jar. And then we want a tablespoon of tomato paste and a teaspoon of smoked paprika, which is the magic Spanish ingredient. And we'll just put in a bit more salt. And we just want to stir that around until and cook it until everything's hot. And then we're just going to serve it with some parsley on top. And we go, a beautiful paella. So if you enjoyed this recipe, come on over to my blog. It's thestonesoup.com and you can download a free ebook filled with simple recipes just like this one.